Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Think Eyes channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers of anthropology. Our question is, how does natural selection act on variation? Darwin, in his book Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection, gave the concept of natural selection or survival of the fittest. It envisages differential rate of reproduction. It envisages differential rate of reproduction of different types of populations as a result of different physiological, anatomical, and behavioral changes by which biological traits become more or less common in a population as a function of inherited traits. Inherited traits. Beneficial or harmful variations are selected by nature through natural selection, resulting into creation of new species. During the struggle of During the struggle for existence, only such individuals can survive who exhibit such variation that prove to be more beneficial in changing environment. Example: during the course of evolution, Australopithecus robustus got extinct and Australopithecus gracile survived and got evolved into Homo sapiens. Also, gene variation in present African population gives them resistance against the malaria. Thus, natural selection plays critical role in survival and evolution of human being through variation. Darwin provided two criteria for natural selection. First is differential reproduction or non-random mating. Non-random mating. Second is capacity of adaptation and pre-adaptation. In differential reproduction, fittest individual leaves more offsprings, forming the next generation. But to get fitted and in order to survive, in order to survive, individuals should not pass only those characters that are essential for living in the particular environment, but also need to pre-adapt for an uncertain future environment. Process: differential reproduction or non-random mating, which leads to elimination or selection of certain traits, which leads to better adaptation to environment, which leads to change in gene frequency, which leads to organic evolution. Though natural selection played a vital role in evolution, but there are other factors like genetic mutation, isolation, genetic drift, which also lead to variation and evolution. Thank you very much.